y'all, welcome back to Budget Rebuilds. We're starting a new build today. This is a 2009 Clear Title Electric Glide. This is a little bit newer, nicer stuff than what I typically deal with. A friend of mine's wife bought this for his birthday. She wants it done a certain way, a certain color and everything, so I'm going to build it just like she wants me to. This one I've already put on, just got these things hanging, but that was damaged and the subframe has been a little bit, so you can change out the rear subframes on these things, so I went ahead and popped a subframe on it and hung those on there. Right now I still need to get the side covers off, get them off to paint. The tank, we'll go ahead and start with getting the tank off, and I have a new inner fairing for it. The outer fairing was already all broken and everything, it was just in pieces, so we'll go ahead and put a new inner fairing on it, get the front wheel off, get the front fender off. We'll see how far we get in this video. I'm going to start with getting this dash off first. Get the front wheel off, and then we can get our fender off, and then we'll start getting this inner off too. Alright, I got the axle pulled out of this, and I usually have to pull off one caliper. On these newer bikes, I might have to pull off both. I'm going to try to just take the one off and see how it goes first. Alright, I got all the lock tabs bent back on the fender bolts. We'll go ahead and zip those off and take off our front fender as soon as I cut these zip ties off the brake line. Alright, now we'll lower it down, and we'll get this inner dash piece off and then get the inner fairing off. different sets of, I guess you call them keys in here, and one's bigger than the other. So if one of the switches gets turned and the other one doesn't, it's a pain in the ass to get it all lined back up. I've done it a couple times. So I'm just gonna take my time and do it the right way, if that is the right way. So real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all everything that we have planned for this bike while we're still waiting on parts. I'm at a good stopping point right now. I really don't have much else I can do. But this is the wheel we ordered for it. It's a 21 by 3.5. Of course, we got the matching tire and rotors. We're waiting for that. She wants to paint the whole bike matte black. So even though most of the stuff on it's already like black and ready to go, we're gonna take it to our painter and have him all redo all that stuff. I put a lowering kit on the rear. We put a street glide wheel on the rear, new tires, new brakes. We did this CVO style stretched rear fender and fillers and stretch bags. And of course, it's already got apes on it for us. And we're going to put in a Bluetooth stereo with Pioneer speakers in it. And I ordered some black exhaust for it. It had the stock catted pipe. We did away with the cat. I think this is maybe a Vance and Hines header pipe, and I ordered just those black megaphone style mufflers for it. So, and I'm gonna try to black out as much of this stuff as I can without having to take the engine apart, but we'll probably do like the air cleaner and the points cover and the derby cover, like that wrinkle black that we've done in the past. It turns out pretty good. Got new grips. Got new grips coming for it, and a 6-inch smoked windshield. I think that's about it. But it'll be a real cool bike when we're done. It'll look clean and classy and something they can ride whenever they want to.
Alright guys, so that's the end of this video. If you haven't already, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video, subscribe if you haven't already. Don't hold us to it, but we're thinking about doing some sort of Christmas series or something. So if you have any suggestions, leave us a comment for that below. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Thanks, y'all.